amekula hewa sio? Hadi kadi warete ndo akathelwa. Karibu sana Mutegeri kire sekenda ndani ya kugu kena chanchamo kana ntukena arua tukiarire manjege Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences lakini eja ukienda bwe komi mbere tukiarire na Baneli ngakwira kagita kondo keza kwithiro kithuganiria kuria nkima tigera uretumira mutujwa nice extra premium ni mutujwa kuruga nkima enthongi nkima iko yana mpoejo na vitamins ujwe na minerals na mainya jaraja kubongera ugwe na family yeku inyana kinyamusherejo pishori kuma nice rice millers kithige kike nice bobadhiaga nkurukie nusu ya muchere jure magwantere cia kauntere ya Kirinyaga kwa kinyara nice digital city Mwea antwara kwina mikawa ethatu niko kathura juro kwenda kwina kinyagwa kurara wenda kuthambira kwina swimming pool kwina fun park very modern areomba kwithirwo gita ugakenera unajua ni January waikie mwana skuru no gaiteite to pressure ara ugatonya rujine namna hii ukaigwa mwerejo achoka nire nyakethera tuko day 51
57 leo.
Wathikire wa kinyara nombe kwithirwo gitonya ugakenera na kinyana ndi ukagura mutujwa nice extra premium antwarea na nkuruki kinyamushere jo pishori na nandi kwina nice ngano na kinyana ndikire arethi feeds animal feeds ni chombete kwithirwo ikiambira kuthondekwa kenda gutigira all round nyingi ni kwithirwa ukithuganiria wenda gwika order ya mutu no uringe 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197 turuga tuji nice na nice extra premium na kila time ni nice.
Nende chikinya thajiri kiloketa na yake 18 muthikiria na Mutegeri karibu sana kire mubango jwa chanchamuka kaitene ka kire thara yeli twitho tukiariria mantu yara yatwegie na rwa retu ne kwariria mantu yegie kithomo na kithomo mantu yonthe ya kirema kithomo kitebati kurema kinyantu kukinya nwere kwa sababu without hiyo then tutena ndiguru wao na ribo nturu aritu kureterete mabisa bakuma kwa chukuru ya Imperial College baraya baditana mantu yegie origitani. Karibuni sana Nelly na Petronila sorry Petronila karibuni sana na thank you non tubokweja mbere buru tuketheriye ni Amiru
Abuture happy new year.
Uni mbetagwa Petronila Mwendwa kuma Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences ofisi ni Amiru.
Karibu.
Asante.
Tangazaji mwenzetu.
Nelly Marango, happy new year to you all. Na nyani mbumeta rutero Amiru office and Imperial College.
Okay. So Petronila tuerere mea kwena chukuru nyingi sana thai especially chikuritana mantu ya medical so mtu akathura Imperial College ne.
Okay, nandika mbuge Imperial College ginto kia mbere itu that we fully accredited itu tikiri tovuri TVETA gofa medical courses kuna ndo reta mulitwa school yetu gutethera kwina thina no iriko akauma una gioto kiria kwenda ya gutwika daktari we are fully accredited by TVETA
na kiri mtura maybe ukuigwa Imperial College rambere we mwira iskuru imbio yongwa bofa
nde Imperial College ni skuru tositaniretie gwitana courses cio gima bwa mwire and different department na courses cietu ni courses ciena market nde weja Imperial ukaumara we mtu ukumenya kire othithia kulingana course iro kethera wejite kuthithia
courses inire ko Nelly
we classified into several departments but ntuko hii
tukiria mic kidogo
ukire mic a bit low
hapo sawa okay
sasa ongeza kasauti
anatoa sauti tatashana na yeye
arugeria siedina ndio mutumeria
okay kambuge Imperial College itethora tu uauga accredited kwitana courses from artisan certificate to diploma level na chethora che classified into various departments na Cambodia na School of Health and Social Sciences School of Health and Social Sciences ukethera kwina diploma ya social work and community health development wina si minor no uthithie diploma na wina deep plain kana deep plain no uthithie the certificate the social work then in the same department kwina artisan caregiver course withero ina D minor no uthithie course iu na ita for 6 months then kwina certificate ya health assistant health support assistant iu ina D+ no wize uthithie na baba offer support in various departments in hospitals kwa lab kwa records they offer the support. Then kwina community health but kwithirwa ina C minor for the diploma na C minor in your languages then D+ in biology then D+ in either physics and mathematics then certificate ya community health but kwithirwa ina D+ kana ina D-plain so that department hizo ndizo courses ziko hapo then tutake department ya perioperative theatre technology
bere ya wita au mwanya ywa social worker na caregiver imbi
social work baria health officers baria ba tuga sana the under county baria ba otheru baria ba make sure the environment is clean sanitation is sawa in various places especially town in the hotels barabo there then for the caregivers bara bomba kuweza na ngamita ate care yani kutetheria especially in elderly
kama CHPs hivi
hapana these are
baba tetheria ntu bakuru
baba tetheria kwaja ntu bakuru kubakia
kubamenyera
caregiver kubamenyera yes kubamenyera
kana mwachi okuorera musi
kana mwachi uria wa uma cibitari na te strong enough akandikirwa caregiver amutegaire kanda abu endelea kubwira
hii inafanyikaga huko ama ni majuu pekee
iko huku iko majuu iko kila mahali hata huku wako we have
mutu ate bataki
kora na guthiacio
bataki nya mutu ate
kwa bataki I think yao nande tukwerea
kabisa
okay then the other department in a school of perioperative theatre technology ewo kethira ibaba bakara theatre to prepare those tools to make sure theatre is sawa before the surgeon comes so ewe na diploma wekenda kuthithia diploma but kethiro ina C minor na certificate but kethiro ina D+. Then kwina School of Applied Sciences. School of Applied Sciences ukethira kwina science lab. These are the lab technicians in various schools kana institutions. So wina C minor na uthithia diploma na wina D+ kana D-plain na uthithia certificate. In the same department kwina biomedical engineering technology. Wina C minor na uthithia diploma na wina D+ na uthithia certificate. Then kwina School of Human Nutrition and Dietetics. Hapa ukethira the nutritionists the baba mbao gutwirira mantu ja mirire bura bukare na mbinambi so for the diploma but kethiro ina C minor then for the languages and biology but kethiro ina D+, chemistry kana masabu na kethiro ina D-plain then for the certificate but kethiro ina D+, then D-plain ke subjects you dari kya gutariria then kwina food technology diploma but kethiro ina C minor na certificate D-plain kana D+.
Food technology badila na mbinele
food technology ba mostly ba na ke industries kana ba thithaia the processed foods so by yogurt kana this ipi and the supermarket you need to process them
foods, yes.
Kanda chumbo karakara chumba kuendwa and they have food technology but kethiro ina C minor diploma na certificate D-plain then kwina food and beverage management and they have hoteli like the chefs in the hotel industries baba kuruga for the diploma in C minor na certificate D-plain kana D+. Then kwina School of Health Records and Information Management au kethira kwina diploma ya health records iwo but kethira wina C-plain then C-plain in languages then you have D+ in biology then a C minor in either physics kana masabu So wina those cluster you can do health records. For the certificate, but kwithirwo ina C minor. C minor in the languages, D plane in biology, and C minors in either physics and mathematics. So with that, you can do health records. Then kwina in the same department, kwina ya IT only. Manya mbere ina records, ina health records and information technology. Ingine information technology, the IT technicians now. For the diploma, but kwithirwo ina C minor, na certificate D plane, ka D plus. Then kwina School of Nursing. Nursing but kwithirwo ina C plane. For the biology C plane, mathematics kana chemistry C minor, na mean grade discipline. So with those grades, nombe kuthithia nursing. Then kwina School of Clinical Medicine and Surgery. Clinical Medicine and Surgery but kwithirwo ina C plane, biology C plane, then chemistry kana masabu C minor, and then one of the languages C plane. So those are the various departments that we offer in Imperial College.
Maybe examination bodies ijimbuga mumtu na uchiuria ndathomera Imperial na ongia thomera maybe na public institution chithero irimwe.
Yeah, it's the same. Examination bodies chia Imperial, no chochi public, because we are accredited by the government. And all the examination courses chionde it's rekete ko the accreditation chia the various departments of the examination council we are offering.
Petronila kimantu jajo nda tukwaririe ikanaro down kiribisi muchiari na kuria how affordable is Imperial ndaikia mwana maybe na goro mono kana etina goro kana muchiari kwina lipa mdogo mdogo, for example ngendo book September tha hizi January no ndeka kaora, how is the fee payment?
Okay, mbere makambuge fees chetu isithirasire much affordable. Na itutikairia installment. Na ndi murito tha ile akweja itutatwe na certain percentage ira tukamurito ni ajeneo. Kuma unande aka clear the fees.
Kwa hiyo muchiari ate ko need kuori.
Ari. Hapana.
Ankenda kubook January 2027 kana May na thaitwe January 2026 no mbije maybe nkabook mapema
nkaendelea kurea
booking ilio na nande miariro karia mbia ukethera wina receipt na messages utethera kwena thina nandi nyokenda kwambire kuria pole pole ukeja tukagutekagia system chone the amount that you have already paid. Yes.
Kingi gitawa career guidance kana mbuga kwena mturo tuthikirite akuiga nele atariria courses kathomba maybe an interest na nursing kana clinical med kana kinya food and beverage management ibwethero bokithithire muritwa kumutara mantu yegie career kana course ira batere kwithirwa kijukia mbere
might offer that for free. Inyokeja ina wa mail office tugagutariria ja mingi muno tunwithairia muritwa rimwe kulingana grade area kwata confused rimwe expected to get a C+, but ukethiria wagwata inya D, ukethira you are so much discouraged. Na ndeno to visit to offer career guidelines for free na tugakueresa kulingana grade iro kethira gwete course iro fa ikuthithia.
Na neli kiuri kingi mpenda kuria kwina rito babaragererwe hii December quarter 15th January KCSE 2025 aritobu maybe bari eligible no beje Imperial kana bagetera certificate
are bate gwetera no beje na yucha tucheta interim certificates no beje achio na beje achio itu clarifyaga na chethera chi sawa itumba ko ba register na bagatonya class ine so muritore uthirite last year ugatinda gwetera certificate come to us ethora meko achari batenda mwana akaranja au ma
kwa na akariuka
na iba kweza to betikiria bareza tuna interim message ila message then we tuna clarify na tukabazukia na bagatonya class
intake chenu chera chiri nari
intake chetu cha January, March, May na September. And for the nursing in March na September. Clinical medicine September only. Lakini thai ya January niyo yenderete. Tutarare tuko inga. So inyaithro result ni raumire. Karibuni sana Imperial.
Okay.
You know, kire muchiari kintu kiromba kwithirwa akiba rubwa ni security ya mwonoke na kuriara kwithirwa mwana ya Imperial akethwa for example ndi mea thika baingi bawe Nairobi so mwana kweya Nairobi eu quote in quote na muchiari maybe mutuate na kuriara mwana uyo kwari I secure bwana tayari Imperial
security tukoga is ambariria kiambere me security muciari ari aigairwo ogua ni ara mwana akagitate akarara me akirasini agatinda tukamu engage lakini ari akarara ni muciari ethairwo eno ogua muno lakini ankwenda kwira aciari batutethero tena hostel na chinde ni school not outside tere uge bakathira kirasi angaruge barabara angathithie of course ibeta but ours chiendene school so security begins there security number 2 ngetine lazima withdraw in ID kana student ID mbere otonya kwa Imperial tati ugo kejo otonye ari kwina mutaratara jwa gutonya kwina mathazari obati kwithirwa we already settled in class kwi mathazari obati kwithirwa we fully settled hostel kwi mathazari ukejo otuketio chokwe kana inya wikwe disciplinary so their security ni twithera tumitegete muno
aritobe no beka uniform
for again I would ask nobody atre Petronila mea kwe mtu nwe okenda atikwenda kuria school akaibwa yaka high school bado so arenda kuya ka freedom kidogo tu so is it possible aria outside school kana ara outside the school as in hostelity school
na ndengauga kukala hostel itheri optional
okay
yes itheri compulsory kwe mucheri ro weja kaguga woni mwana kwande ndakale hostel we ataka hostel pandu kwino ngio keje ugi atikwenda mwana yakala hostel so au itheri compulsory it is optional na ndekethero tikwenda akala hostel no umale omyo kama kombrera one yes
campus chenu chithairiri kuna iriko
campus chetu twina Thika main campus na twina ingi gwitwa Thika 2 no leo kuria na tatu na Thika 2 na twina Thika main campus Mswahili uga chama cha ziuza na kibaya cha zitembeza. Sasa Imperial tulijiuza na tukajiuza kwa mema. So it is the point watu kwa twina litopa baigi na main campus irona ndeto achwire Thika 2 kodo ndauga twina Thika main campus we have Thika 2 campus and we have Nakuru yes
Nakuru campus ina haburi
Nakuru campus to Ronald Gala Street opposite Christ the King Catholic Church.
Na neli urawe mero maybe na kwenda gwita Nakuru kana na kwenda gwita Thika akejo bishine chinu ina ire na agatetheka
Meru office ugatwithira ari electrical house goroba iwe slightly opposite Magunas supermarket next to Ken Silver offices au ni office cha Meru ire na wejo ugatwithira na weta main campus ugatwithira just 600 meters away from Thika level 5 Thika campus ina ubari Thika 2 at Ton Towers along Mama Gina Drive na Nakuru ni uari kyo gutariria i Ronald Gala Street
kile
mtu wa road trips ningechoose Nakuru
wani wale wanataka kwenda shule za mbali na wewe
kwa Nyamo litoeza Meru anaweza pata barua za hizo campus
zote lazima Thika
okay lazima ete main campus lazima ete campus
yes lazima ete main owari akaenda kuita no ageta kwa uno nkunenkere barua no ageta na ari okwenda when I'm still here at Meru
na by the bere ruwa kwe kinya ngari direct tia Nakuru kuma Meru kenda pale main station nenda straight direct tima tata Nairobi
unajua Meru anapenda kuexplore
Nelly mantujegi attachment kana practicals ana benu bomba kutha kibathithiria tenontu na mbere ingwitike butina ene online nini tu course daktari lazima amtesina practicals na attachment maybe botetha area rito
for murito apply na agatonya na akathithia course yewe na kwe duration area kinyaga nandi ikethirwa ni attachment etete so itobatetha area gwita attachment ibeta attachment country wide ndiuga imeru ake they are everywhere we are everywhere
Kwonda thera Kenyatta by the way
we are everywhere tuko kila mahali.
Wewe umeenda Nakuru, si mimi nimeenda Nairobi.
Kisumu, Mombasa, tuko huko. Wamejaa, they are everywhere now, countrywide. Wako. So ito batetha area na ibeta attachment, murito enda gwita kuinanja. Ziko. Beko nyakerwa beo. Nyanja nero beo.
Okay.
So ni hakikisho eriko boko wa muchiari mantune attachment, for example Petronilla.
Nandi mantune za attachment katukwera muchiri tukamwira haturetara mulitwa ikifika time ya kwenda attachment wanga tunawa connect. Kuna sibitari ira beta Indhika Kiambu. Kuna ndi ikifika time ya attachment mulitwa atetinda utamak wanga tunawa connect. Yes.
Na mission vision na moto yenu Nelly?
Moto tuga I committed to professional excellence. Mission tuga to offer transformative relevant medical health in Africa. Yes. Then tuka vision ni offering support for our career dreams. Yes.
Umetuma na kakitu?
Entera ringu itana umein entameni kauga kwe anto bakutumbura nyumete othai muringirete
Muringirete director
kamwona ndeta nkamwira kwe anto bakuuria ka
sindio
zawadi
please mwere so aragutuma na arue
our MD Benjamin Kenya nethairwa acokeretie nkatho aciari bara bombite kumuretera aritwa up to date na inya bara bakujoin for this January intake. Nakuigwa bacokeretie nkatho na nakwira aciari bakaigwa bamaki ana bao benjarene injega na inya ana bao bangi batumbite gutujoin aba January intake bado it's no yenderete no turetere muritwa na tukamukaribisha family yetu ya Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences na nakuigwa endete aciari bonthe bara bamwitikitie na ana ba
na indonere kwikia wakio atsindire some award sama.
The CEO of the year. He was amongst the 100 CEOs countrywide.
Umwambie congratulations. Wewe muringara thimo mwira amantu ya karimi. Omora tumesema congratulations. Yeah. Sure.
Ngakinyithia congratulations you.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I think Petronilla araniria na muchiari na muritwa maybe ro kwenda kwe ya Imperial ubere kwithira kuri antu bangi bamiru be ku bateta kuri wani oru nao ari kithoiri kikingi no bari kimiru na bangi.
Okay, kankaribisha aciari amuna aritwa Imperial College na mbere na utu na miru baba ingi. Actually we are number 2. Yes, awesome. Meru County. The first one is Kiambu, then to number 2. So kenkalira muritwa olea la bangi ora ina dream ya kugwata C+ agwata D. Nuntu mono they are very much discouraged. Aleterete C+ kana B akapata D. Mwele it is not over. Ituko nanto pagumete from D- wakapanda mpaka PhD.
Yep.
It's all about determination and trusting the process. Ukethira we mwali ukabanga gwita kugura ntonola gwatire D-, kethira we mwana boy child ukabanga kunywa ngama ama kukunywa bangi we kuja tutembelea kwa ofisi yetu Meru na tutakuelekeza ile course yenye utafanya kulingana ile grade ulipata.
Ote grade.
Yes.
Nelly. Batare ntokirekie.
Oni ambuge ibwega ke nyaciari bara bombete uturetera aritwa na inya bau bangi be batigitwo nja. Oni kire ambuga imbizi aritwa intijandi bona ke kiroto kana ina ende imbizi aritwa be no benja muno bau ba discipline na ibatete bamo uwo kuigwa Petronilla akiuga no aba kunywa they are getting wasted. Mwana uwa ka get wasted. Imperial inya eja kuthoma onyawe gwagite gutonya titethora twina talent titethora twina other extracurricular activities no wize oko ukathithia gantu no gaciumira kuna gintu so ana bara na inya bara thithitie KCSE last year ituronere bure andichira ingi dini mingi acha
atiri
tukubali
Nelly let's do this ndenda wari na muto wo di mwiri course imbiomba kubwithia Imperial College
D plus bauba D no weje okathi the certificate ya perioperative theatre technology that is a D plus
in involve
by baba itango ge theatre together they are based in theatre we prepare those tools to receive the patients in and out na to make sure theatre is tayari before the other doctors come in ibaba
na ukitoka hapo tunakuita daktari.
Ukaitwa daktari? Unataka kuitwa daktari?
Umwite theatre.
Na inyothi thia certificate yo ukathithia diploma.
Wete witetie.
Na inya bara bena D minor imbigirere ya caregiver course. Para bagwita kuweza na
utungata
misi. Na ibandika by the way inalipa.
Sana.
Iko na pesa. Nimekuja kuona mwingine ameitwa hapa tu Nairobi 50k.
Month.
Yes, per month. So inalipa. So with your D minor, enjoy the caregiver.
Na okay na kia ulu. No wetu daktari fanya daktari
na Dr. Buru. Then kuna science lab. Our bar lab technicians. You can do that. Kuna eze ingia biomedical engineering. No uthithia yo. Kuna human nutrition. Kuna food technology. Kuna food and beverage management.
We need D.
D. Hiyo chonde itia D. Huko gwata. So hizo zote unaweza kuja na ufanya na D. Tunajua D ni mingi na hao watoto please don't give up. Is there an Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences na tukari kia kubwa kio tokira bukwenda.
Kwa kwe muchiari na muritwa wora bwethite KCSE kana we wa bwethire KCSE na wa wata D na wona yake yo mwisho yo mathomo kana waitijira weta mantu-ine yange yo pusi tafadhali ongea na Nelly hapa akethra ayotethia bena Petronila nonto kwina course omba kwitho kibwithia na D na wera twambiririe na ku academy ati kithomo I think kithomo ikyo backbone ya inenation ya mugongo yuonde
kila kitu
so araniria na Nelly na Petronila hapa ya bere na tababa watan kenda
contacts. Okay, for the main campus, kwina bugira twina Thika. Ko Thika main campus, 600 meters away from Thika level 5. Hoga twithiria au na namba thimu niyo yambirite au screen-ine 0719 223 223 kana 0717 816 666 kana 00111052600 wamba kuringa namba hiyo ugatetheka. Then itugire twina campus ijire Thika. We have Thika 2 iko Aton Towers along Mama Ngina Drive. Ugatwithira ndeu namba thimu no uringe 0701 470 000 ewi namba Thika 2. Then Nakuru campus namba hiyo ya ugatagati 0713 050 000 na mbugire tu Lonangara Street that is town Nakuru town Lonangara Street just opposite Christ the Kingdom Christ King Catholic Church au ni oturi and then Meru office Petronila gatwira
andika mbalirio location ya Meru office Meru office turi electrical house area kwena Ken Silver booking office wakinya Ken Silver booking office au kwena corridor ukeja first floor utakuja na utatupata hapo na tutakuelezea kila kitu.
Namba yenu ya simu?
Namba yetu 0768 37 3614.
Thank you so much ladies nontuba kwithira kuona kanya na kuja kwarira mushiari ngwiteke mushiari ukuigwa mulitogo nyotha urathire KCSE December irathirire 2025 na mpumi uchirombere umera ka results kaku kana kinya message ringira Nelly kana uriungi arja Meru na ombe kwithira ukithithiro nyakaria guidance ombe kwithira ukiona biria omba kwithira ukigita bwaga sana mutegeri wa Weru TV gatumbe kwithira twigucokia rutire rungu itigire ndeke 14 eshumba kwithira ikirunga mathaitha tu batutugeta na mbere na mubango jwa chanchamuka.
Unajua along discussion ngotala mbona gathi tokinya to that
gender rule ama haiwezi
tuko sawa tuko sawa
1 is to 3
1 is to 3
wewe unajipenda
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Watu Kanga.